Yo, it's homecoming here at Howard University, 2024. It's Howard University's 100th homecoming. Am I gonna be able to convince Traveling Tall to come out here? Well, let's see. Traveling Tall, he was like, hey, Larry, let's Hey, how you doing?
Not too bad.
All right. Like that street glide, man.
I appreciate it.
I see you coordinated. This guy right here, he used to be a street glide guy.
Where'd he go? Street bike?
No, he messed around and got one of those bikes with the frame mounted fairing.
Yeah, it's dirty. I haven't cleaned it in a while.
That's pretty bad.
She didn't get a bath. I didn't have time to give her a bath.
It's understandable, man. You had a busy week.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, like, you could have very well, the time they've been spending riding today, that could have been 2 hours washing the bike.
No.
So you might as well get the miles over the wash.
I got plenty of times to wash it in the winter.
Right. Indeed. All right, good meeting you. All right. Yeah. So, Traveling Tall was in town, and he was like, "Hey, Larry, let's do some hood rat stuff. Since you my local hood rat friend."
Fun to do bad things. I wanted to do hood rat stuff with my friend.
Hey, see?
How you doing?
What's up, dog?
Good.
Hey.
Weird. What you doing out here?
Good. How are you?
All right. All right, how you doing?
What's
Larry.
your name?
Sam?
Sam.
All right.
Hi, I'm Diane.
Nice to meet you.
He's got a YouTube channel.
Are y'all just picking up a bike or something?
I was looking at the CVOST.
You don't have a bike now?
I was in a motorcycle accident in Sturgis, man. I got hit by a deer.
Oh,
20 miles
wow.
an hour, T-boned me.
Oh, go.
Ooh.
Well, show me the bike you was going to get. You got to leave now?
Huh?
Might as
I
well.
got a fight in a few hours, but yeah.
All right, show me what you looking at. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, that is nice.
Good meeting you, man.
All right, brother.
All right.
Thank you. You have a good
All right,
day.
pleasure meeting you. All right. Yeah. Well, can I convince you to come in to DC, go to Howard homecoming today?
I got to get back to Tennessee, man. I got to get back to
You sure?
I got to get back to
It's
Tennessee.
Howard homecoming, man.
Yeah, I wish I could, but I got to get back to Tennessee.
And sure I can't convince you to come by the yard for a hot second.
I got to get back to Tennessee. Definitely got to get back there, man.
I mean, Tennessee ain't going nowhere.
I got places to go.
Yeah, homecoming.
I wish, but next time, man.
Next time, so next year, Traveling Tall, Howard homecoming.
Yeah, next time.
Next time?
We'll
All
do
right, cool.
something Next time.
We'll do that. That sounds like a plan. So just made it back into DC, heading to the yard for homecoming. Howard University's 100th homecoming. Let's go and see what it's about. So this part now, it's time to get into the yard. All right. So the streets are blocked off, all over everywhere. I took a shortcut, but the shortcut was decent. Still got relatively close. About to walk onto the yard and see what's what. We got most of Georgia Avenue blocked off. Howard University bookstore. A lot of families out here. That brother right there must have been a drum major at one point in time. All right. Appreciate it. That's Mumbo Sauce. Hey, good meeting, bro. Yo, it's homecoming 2024 here at Howard University. It's Howard University's 100th homecoming.
I can't go wrong with it.
How you doing, man? I just want to come and introduce myself and wish you a happy homecoming. You enjoying yourself? Okay. May I ask you another question?
All right.
What year did you cross?
60.
60? Woo! Can I give you a hug?
Yes.
All right. Mwah. Congratulations. Happy homecoming again. All right. Hey, unfortunately I couldn't get Tall to come out here, but I had a blast on y'all here for Howard's 100th homecoming celebration. Hey, if you like stuff like this, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe here to Bill Robert P. And I'll see y'all on the next one.